Chapter 20. I'm dressed in sweats with the extra material of the right leg pinned up, and I've just demonstrated for safety to physical therapists I haven't worked with before when my mother appears. Are you okay? She gasps. Fine, I tell her, then demonstrate recovery by standing up. Just passing my final exam. You're coming home, she squares, dancing in place. Then she grabs the parked wheelchair and practically shoves it under me, kissing the top of my head just like she did when I was little. You must be Jessica's mom, the PT says with a smile. That I am, she says. Like being my mom is the best thing ever. He chuckles. Well, I'm happy to report that your daughter has mastered all the necessary functional goals for release. He scribbles on the sheet. He's been quizzing me and says, from now on, we'll be seeing her at the rehab facility. He hands my mother a couple of brochures and a small stack on papers. And after some pleasantries to me about keeping up the good work, he's gone. My mother packs my things as I wait in the wheelchair with Lucas the bear in my lap. But it's another hour and a half before I'm being rolled down the corridor by a nurse. Mom's not allowed to push me. I'm not allowed to roll myself. I guess they want to make sure they get me out for here in one piece, and then no one rolls off with Mercy Hospital property. Dad's waiting outside the big glass doors of the hospital's front entrance. He's holding the handles of a small wheelchair, one that is apparently all mine. Jessica, he says, and he looks happy too. Hey, Dad, I say, and my eyes sting with tears. It's the first real smile I've seen on him in forever. I demonstrate a flawless wheelchair transfer, and after we all say goodbye to the nurse, Dad and Mom walk me across the parking lot to Dad's van. They are all smiles and coos until I'm standing at the open passenger door, trying to figure out how to transfer to a seat that's up so high. I can't swing into it. I can't exactly hop inside. I can't grab the frame of the van with both arms and hoist myself in. We have crutches, but I'm not sure how to use them in this situation. I'm just stumped. Mom tries to help, but she's really just in the way. Dad has caressed the wheelchair and put it in bag with Lucas the bear and the rest of my things, and after watching me agonize over how to get inside his van, he simply gathers me in his arms and hoists me onto the seat. We'll figure it out, sweetheart, my mom says with a surprising pat of my hand. We'll figure it all out. She kisses me on the cheek. For now, let's just get you home. She tells Dad she'll see him at the house, then goes off to her car. Dad fires up the van and tries smiling at me, but his eyes are heavy again, and I know he's thinking what I'm thinking. There's no such thing as easy. Not anymore.